Hi everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. Rog here, and today I'm going to be cooking a rhubarb crumble.
So here are the ingredients that we need. We need some lovely fresh rhubarb and some pork. We need a glug of this pork, or about 3 tablespoons, and some golden caster sugar. For the topping we're going to need some self-raising flour, some light brown muscovado sugar, and some dairy-free spread or something like that. Now it's very important to give your rhubarb a really good wash under cold running water, then gently pat it dry with some kitchen towel. Then we can cut the rhubarb into thumb-sized pieces like that, but don't cut your thumb. Then when this is all done, like that, we can put it into a pan. We've got this on a very low heat. Then we can add our sugar, and a little drop of port, not too much. There we go. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle. Give this a stir. Then we're going to pop the lid on and leave this to simmer just for about 15 minutes, just to get quite loose. Meanwhile, in another bowl we can pop in our flour and our spread and mix this together. We want this to come together so it looks really like sort of breadcrumbs. We can do this by hand, just keep mixing, 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 mixing until it looks like this. Then we can add our sugar and mix again to make a really delicious topping. There we go. Mix it all in, just like fine breadcrumbs. There we go, beautiful. Now the rhubarb's ready. Still got its shape, so we can put that in the dish. There you go, pop all of that in. Level it off a little bit. Or crumble. We put this all over the top, tuck it into the corners, make sure none of the rhubarb's showing, level it off, make a nice neat job. I'm sure you can do better than me. And then it's off to the oven. And this is what we end up with. Doesn't that look lovely? Really appetising. Look at that lovely crust on the top. Do you know, it's so nice, I'm going to have to try it out.
Well, that's it, the spot. Really tasty. Sort of sharp and sweet at the same time. That sugar, that muscovado sugar comes through. Well, it's really good. Please try this for yourself. It's worth it. Rhubarb's in season at the moment. It's everywhere and it's cheap. You should use it. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys again next time. I'm going to carry on and eat this now. Bye for now.